Okay, so I'm back. This is as real as it gets. So I had to leave. I put everything up, and now I'm back, and I'm going to have to just finish this up and put it in a bowl for my husband to take to lunch tomorrow because we ate while we went out. Isn't that funny? I'm sitting here cooking dinner. But anyway, my daughter got her car, and she had been waiting, anticipating that, so that's a good thing. All right, I got the meat cooked, and now it says stir in ponzu, turn off heat, taste, and season with salt and pepper. So this has been off. I just turned it on to heat it up a little bit. I just did not get the ponzu added. So I needed 4 of these little packages of it. I'd say 1 packet is probably a tablespoon, and I should measure that because I wondered, like, if I wanted to cook this without buying the box. I don't know how much is in this, and it just says 4 packets. So it's little things like that. You might, if you measured it, then you could figure it out and do it on your own. I don't know if that's a teaspoon or a tablespoon. You hear my dog outside.
Come on. Bruce, no.
We have a dog named Talking, and Bruce, and Sugar. Bruce is an outside dog, mostly. We let him in sometimes. He's a very sweet boy. I stir in the ponzu. I can smell the soy sauce. Season with salt and pepper. I figure soy sauce is salty anyway. I don't like a lot of salt. And my hair is a mess, y'all. I like pepper. And I try to pick out the bulk of the big onions because I didn't think about it, but this meal, you pile stuff on top of the meat, and so he'll just be getting a bite of onion and he'll be mad at me. Okay, so there's that. You could taste it, I'll work. That's rice. I haven't done anything with it since I turned it off and moved it. And it says fluff rice with a fork and stir in lime zest and 1 tablespoon of butter and season with salt. Fluff the rice. Voila! It has been sitting here extra long. Getting it busted up here. Just wonder what the jasmine rice. Just tastes like rice to me. All right, the lime zest and a tablespoon of butter. I'll scrape it off of my thing here. Oh. Sorry, you guys. And I've dumped half of it out of my spoon. This is gonna be good, right? Start adding some lime zest or lemon zest or any zest to something. And a little bit of salt. Should probably be heated up a little bit. Help that butter out. I really don't want to lose any of that. It's a really easy meal to cook. I mean, because the rice pretty much does its thing. You just got to put it on the stove. And the meat, I mean, that's super quick. So it's just grating the carrots and all those, the chopping of the vegetables. All right, so there's our rice. And now it just says divide between bowls, arrange beef, grated carrot, and pickled cucumbers, draining first on top. Top with the scallions and squeeze of lime juice and drizzle with the aioli. All right, let me taste one of these little. Tastes like a cucumber to me. It didn't taste, anything special. I don't know if I just didn't get a good one that was in the juice. The juice is better. All right, so I need to get a bowl for my husband's stove. Maybe like this. I got enough to do me a bowl. So probably won't look as cute, but I'll put the rice in. This is supposed to be for 2 people, y'all. And put the meat on top. Okay. I like to look at the picture. I try to make it look like the picture, which it doesn't already because I got the carrots on one side, but anyway. It's so colorful. never used to eat carrots really because canned carrots are gross. And it just used to never, like, if it wasn't open in a can, I just didn't do it. The pickled cucumber. Sorry about the scraping noise. Scallion greens, which you don't want, and a squeeze of lime juice. And just probably need another lime for this meal because I want this one to myself, but I'll share. And that aioli. This is the wasabi aioli. It says the drizzle. I'm just gonna. It's gonna get stirred up anyway. And that is it, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that nice? So that is a sweet ponzu beef bowl with pickled cucumber and wasabi aioli from every plate. And I hope you enjoyed it and see what it looks like in real life. And now I've lost all. Like, I don't know how long it took me because I had to leave it. But anyway, that's life. God bless.